Hello everyone, this is Praful. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to review 4 most affordable brush pens available for beginners. So I'm going to review Dom's brush pen, Color Peps by Maped, we have Camlin brush pen, and we have Little Artist Agile. So let's see among all 4 which brush pen stands out. I will be using certain parameters to judge their nib quality, color pigmentation, and how easy it is for a beginner to catch up with a certain brush pen, and how worth it is to spend spend and purchase the certain brand's brush pen. So watch this video till the end to find out which brush pen stands out among these 4. So let's start. So these 4 brush pens are available max to max within rupees 220 to 200. Under rupees 200 you will get all of these brush pens. So I will be telling you what parameters you should look at when you are searching for a brush pen if you are a beginner. So let's start with the swatches of the different brush pens, and we'll have a talk on why certain brush pen is better than the other. So starting individually with the brush pens, these are the Dom's brush pen. These cost rupees 200, and these are available in 14 shades as you can see, and these comes with one metallic two metallic shades. One is silver and one is gold, and rest 12 are the basic normal shades which are available. Talking about the Camlin brush pen, these are also of rupees 200 with 12 shades, but these have no metallic brush pens. Coming to Little Artist Agile, this is of rupees 160, and these are also having 12 shades. Then we have Color Peps by Maped. These are of rupees 220, but these only have 10 shades. So let's see individually how these pens work. So I am going to judge the following 4 brush pens on the basis of the tips quality, like is it soft or is it hard, then the pigment quality, the price of each specific brush pens, the control, how easy it is for you or for a beginner to control the brush pen, and the quality of the nib, does it fray easily or does it last longer. So let's see one by one about how these brush pens perform on the following 5 indicators. So after the checking of all the brush pens on all the 5 parameters, we have our results now. So according to me, Maped has scored 16 points with Little Artist Agile. So what I didn't like about these brush pens was the pigment quality, it is not that rich and vibrant as the other 2 brush pens are, and then the tip quality is not that really great, so I would not recommend these for beginners as such. Then we have Camlin with 18 points and Dom's clearly our winner with 21 points. So the thing which I liked most about both these brush pens was the pigment quality. Both these pigments are very vibrant. So why Camlin is on number 2 is because of the control. Dom's on the other hand has more points on the control, whereas Camlin has less control. More or less these brush pens are very close to each other when it comes to choosing. So for a beginner I would recommend you to pick Dom's brush pen, which is this one, and plus the metallic shades are an add-on, which is amazing one. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. Do follow and subscribe my channel for more such updates.